Welcome students to the online academy. Today we will do an essay and the topic of the essay is Controlling the crowd is getting more difficult. What measures could be taken to manage a crowd? Crowds are a group of many people in large numbers at a certain location and time. The statement implies that crowds are unmanageable at times and especially so in the future. It also implies that trouble is caused by increasingly disorderly behavior of some people in crowds. Why is there increasingly errant behavior of people in crowds which cause them to be difficult to manage? Perhaps these stressful times and an increasing erosion of moral values pop up decent conduct, especially that in the observance of decent order in a large mass of people. However, the question requires us to examine not the cause for errant crowd behavior, but how to control this increasingly difficult task of managing crowds. For this, the different types of crowds which may turn unmanageable are examined. Let us begin with a shopping crowd. A crowd in a shopping center is invariably drawn to it because of its popularity. As in any crowd situation, security personnel is important in controlling possible disorderly behavior of large number of people. There must be sufficient guards with communication devices to ensure an orderly environment. Crowds are increasingly drawn to sale. I would suggest that promotions on heavily discounted items be done on non-peak hours on weekdays. In this way, there would be a reduction in the numbers of shoppers and the propensity for disorder. A queue or draw lot system for popular sales item could also be implemented. The last thing any store should do is to have popular sale items in open bins. This would simply invite a frenzy of pushing and shoving to get hold of these items. A football crowd is different from a shopping crowd. There is more of a male presence and an increased predilection for violence in a crowd, which turns uncontrollable. Besides increased security personnel, perhaps the entrance gates may be opened earlier for a popular match. An eye should be kept on gate crashers and troublemakers who stir up the crowds. Liquor or any possible material for missile throwing should be disallowed. Guard dogs and police patrol stationed near the railing separating players and the crowd should be employed in case the fans get physically abusive or agitated. Of course, riot police could be used as a last measure. Crowds visiting exhibitions would also require our attention to certain details. The car parks should be closed if there are too many people and the entrances monitored for increased flow of people. Lines should be kept moving and for popular exhibits, a limited time should be set for viewing. Festival celebration and street parties which attract large crowds of people also need control measures. Points where people are likely to congregate need to be monitored to avoid overcrowding. A crowd intending to view fireworks would arrive early. I remember the recent opening of the Art Center in Singapore. The crowds at the Esplanade were kept entertained by buskers and the musical performances. The crowds at Esplanade were kept entertained by buskers and the musical performances. This was to foster a good mood in spectators. When the fireworks lit up, the large crowds was orderly and peace-loving even though they had waited a long while and they were standing shoulder to shoulder in certain spots. Hence, these are the suggestions I have given to control crowds. which are increasingly difficult to manage. Thank you.